Listen, I need to tell you something that could literally save your trading account and maybe even your entire financial future. Your computer might be compromised right now, and you don't even know it. And here's the scary part. Your regular virus protection may not even catch it. I'm Eddie Z, and today I'm going to show you how to check if your PC has been hacked using a tool most people don't even know exists. Now, before we dive in, let me tell you why this is absolutely critical for us traders. When hackers get into your system, they're not just looking to mess around. They want your money. They can steal your trading passwords, your account information, and even manipulate your trades in real time. I've actually spoken to traders who have lost hundreds of thousands of dollars because malware was secretly recording their keystrokes and sending login credentials to cyber criminals. The worst part? Most people have no idea it's happening until it's too late. And here's where it gets even more dangerous. A lot of this stuff slips right past traditional antivirus software. Some malware is even designed to hide in plain sight. It's designed to disable alerts or simply avoid detection altogether. And that's why relying on just one layer of protection can give you a false sense of security, especially if you trade for a living. Here's a scary truth about trading and cybersecurity. Every time you log into your brokerage account, every time you enter a trade, every time you check your portfolio, you're transmitting valuable information. Hackers know this, and they specifically target traders because we're dealing with large amounts of money and sensitive financial information. A compromised trading computer isn't just an inconvenience, it's a direct threat to your wealth. So when should you be checking for hacks? I recommend doing this security check at least once a month, especially if you're an active trader. And absolutely by using a dedicated removal tool that looks for threats your normal antivirus might actually miss. But there are some very specific red flags that should make you check immediately. If your computer is running slower than usual, if you notice unfamiliar programs running, if your internet usage spikes without explanation, or if your trading platform starts acting weird, stop everything and run this check right now. All right, let's get into the actual process. First thing you're going to do is right-click on the Windows Start button and then select Run. In that little box that pops up, type the letters MRT and hit Enter. This launches Microsoft's built-in malicious software removal tool, and most people don't even know it exists. When the tool opens up, you'll see some options. Click Next, and it'll ask you what kind of scan you want to run. If you're pressed for time or just doing your monthly check, go with the Quick Scan option. This targets the most common hiding spots that malware loves to use. But if you've been noticing weird behavior in your computer, or if something just feels off, select the full scan instead. It may take a couple of hours, but your trading accounts are worth it. For now, let's go with the quick scan since we're doing this fast check. The scan will run for just a few minutes, and if it finds something suspicious, it'll show you the results and automatically remove the threats. This tool is surprisingly effective, and it catches a lot of nasty stuff that other programs miss. Okay, while that's running, let's do our second check. Open that Run dialog box again, and this time type netplwiz. That is netplwiz with no spaces, and press Enter. This opens up your user accounts window, and here's where things get interesting. You'll see a list of every user profile that's been created on your Windows system. Look through this list carefully. If you see any accounts that you don't recognize or you didn't create yourself, that's a massive red flag. Someone might have created a backdoor into your system. If you spot a suspicious account, select it and click Remove immediately. This cuts off unauthorized access and could save your trading accounts from being compromised. I cannot stress this enough. Unknown user accounts are one of the clearest signs your system has been breached. Now for our third and final check. Right-click on the taskbar and open up the Task Manager. Look for the Startup Apps tab in the left sidebar. Click on the top of the status column to sort everything by Enabled Applications. This shows you every program that automatically starts when you boot up your computer. Scan through this list very carefully and look for anything you don't recognize or that you didn't install yourself. If you see suspicious entries, right-click and disable them immediately. This prevents unknown programs from launching automatically and potentially running malware in the background while you're trading. This entire process takes about a minute once you know what you're looking for, but it could literally save you thousands of dollars. I recommend making this whole thing part of your regular trading routine. Do this at least once a month. Remember, cybersecurity isn't just about protecting your computer. It's about protecting your assets and your trading career. One successful hack could wipe out years of profit and hard work. Don't let that happen to you. If you want to dive deeper into learning exactly what traders need, make sure to grab my complete guide to trading computers. It covers everything from the hardware recommendations to advanced security protocols specifically written for traders. The link is in the description below. And speaking of trading computers, if you are ready to upgrade to the latest technology that can handle multiple monitors, lightning-fast execution, and rock-solid security, we've got an awesome machine on sale right now. Click the link in the description and check it out. And yo, dude, don't forget to slam that subscribe button for more trading tips and computer advice that can save your account. My name's Eddie Z. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see what is absolutely the best computer for trading, watch this video next. And as always, may the trend be with you.